Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today, as you can see, I have a new package and I wanted to quickly unbox this. The sun is setting and I just received this in the mail and I thought I would unbag this with you on camera. So if you know, this blue padded envelope is a package from Chic Sparrow. You probably, if you can read what's on here, you'll see what it is. But I participated in the Chic Sparrow 5th anniversary sale. They had a 30% off discount. And I thought I would quickly do this for you on camera. That's the packaging. It says, thank you. I haven't purchased a Chic Sparrow in a while, to be honest, and I'm very excited. It's a nice touch. So I'm assuming that this is the invoice. Let's see. There's the 5 years anniversary card and some information there. Oh, a cute card right here. Sorry, a cute sticker. And another information card. I appreciate these little checks. It looks like everybody initials each step of the shipping process, and I really do appreciate that. So let's open it up. You can see that it's not very big. I really do like this pouch. Oh, it is an A6 Deluxe Nightingale, and yeah, it's in the A6 size. I can't really smell anything too much right now because of my allergies, but it's very smooth. And I was flopping back and forth between what to choose for the anniversary sale. I really wanted to participate because 30% off is a nice big chunk. And I was looking at videos and I saw Sarah Martinez, and she did a wonderful video showing the variations of the Nightingale, and she was comparing the leathers and things. I think she has the whole Mockingbird line, and she was just really detailed with her description, and I really appreciated her video. And she was I watched her video and I was like, oh, I think I want to try out this Nightingale leather. I think it's really great for the summer or the spring. It's a nice light color. The leather, I'm always curious about the thickness of the leather because I don't like it to be too thick, and not a lot of people share the side profile. So here is a close-up. I don't believe, like, there's 3 layers here. I'm not too sure if if these 2 top layers are any thinner than this original one. But yes, there is a bit of thickness. I mean, it's not that thick, but there is a bit of thickness on this part because it is a deluxe. I'm excited to also try out this new pen loop, which is one piece of leather that they just folded over. So I've seen people actually cut this part off if you're not interested in the pen loop. The stitching seems to be okay. No, I don't see anything wrong with the stitching at all. And I do appreciate the fact that the stitching, the color of the stitching is the same. It's not contrast stitching. I like the variation in leather here very much. The leather is slick and soft. It's more of like a smooth, slick surface to me. I thought I would do a comparison of the leather thickness with the other Traveler's notebooks that I have here. I'm currently using the Olive Traveler's notebook. This is the one from Traveler's Company, and as you can see, it's not really thick at all, but I thought I would do a comparison. It's always nice to compare. So the Mockingbird is definitely, the Nightingale is definitely thinner than the Travelers Company brand. Hopefully you can see that. It's not by much, but it is thinner. Then I have a Sojourner here. This is the Mitzvah. And oh, I love the Sojourner Traveler's notebooks as well because they're very thin. And let me see if I can take this one out here so that I can show you the thickness of the Sojourner Mitzvah and the, whoops. Well, they're very similar, but the Mitzvah is thinner, and if you compare just the one side there, I guess it's kind of comparable to the double layer here. You can see that. But yes, I do like lighter weight leathers, because if I do have to take them out with me, they won't be too heavy. And while I have this in here, I have this is a natural leather from Sojourner. You can compare and see as well. So I'm also housing my junk journal in this Lady Falcon Traveler's Notebook. This is in just the regular standard leather. I think she has the Morgana line and the Pendragon line, but this is just the standard one. So there's the comparison with the Nightingale and the Lady Falcon Travelers. The Nightingale is a little bit thinner. So yeah, there is the Nightingale leather. I will say I don't think the edging is finished. I think maybe that's just how it is. I don't see that it has any seal on it. It seems quite raw to me, which is okay. It doesn't bother me at all, but if you're curious, I just thought I would share with you that detail. And this is the inside of the leather. I know Sarah was mentioning it. I think it was her that was mentioning that it felt like carpet or something. But yeah, it's not fuzzy or anything like the... let's see. Oh no, I don't have... Oh, this one here is a little bit more fuzzy. You can see the Lady Falcon Travelers is kind of fuzzy. But yeah, it is a floppy leather, so it's not like it stays open, which I like. But it's not like a squishy leather. It has a nice structure to it, and I appreciate that as well. It has the... I'm really happy actually that I ordered the Deluxe, because I usually don't order the Deluxe. I feel like I don't utilize the pockets enough, but I'm really happy about it. I love the different variations that this specific piece has. I'm not sure if that's really catching up on camera, but it's really nice. It's very slick and smooth. It's not like this one is, it's more of like a soft, I don't want to say squishy leather, but yeah, it's so hard to explain. But yeah, I'm very glad that I was able to participate in this 5th year anniversary from Chic Sparrow. That is the logo there, Chic Sparrow, made in the USA. Let me share with you the actual costs, because I'm always curious about costs as well. So it has it right here. The original price was $69.99, and I added the shipping and insurance. There was a coupon for the 5-year anniversary. Like I said, it was 30% off. The shipping to Japan was about $25, so it actually came out to $75. I guess it the 30% off kind of canceled it out just a little bit. But yes, I'm always curious about shipping costs when people do these unboxings, and a lot of the times it's not really talked about. But I'm very excited to start this Traveler's Notebook for the summertime. I think once I'm finished my junk journal right here, which is quite full already, I think I really need to do a flip through one of these days, but I should be finished maybe next month or so. So maybe once I finish in this B6 size, I might go into the A6, but we'll have to see how that goes. fortunately, A6, there's a lot of A6 available notebooks in Japan, so you can easily get a notebook and start. Maybe I was also thinking of starting like an art journal from separate from my Hobonichi, so I might consider doing that as well. So there's that. Here is the unboxing of the Chic Sparrow A6 Nightingale. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.